Oftentimes, as the tech better half of my friends at college, I receive a lot of questions about what's a decent laptop within a price range of say 20 to 25,000. Now the problem is that laptops in this segment have a couple of compromises which are tough to live with. Well, today we have the CompBook Premio version 2 by iBall. And this is their attempt at giving us a worthy product in this segment. Let's find out if they've been successful in doing so. Well, at a price tag of 18,000, we knew we had to keep our expectations in control. The place where it's most evident is its design. Glossy on the bottom and the top, not only does this make the laptop look cheap, but makes it really susceptible to scratches. Bottom is lined with 4 rubber grips, out of which one came off in less than a week, 2 speakers on the sides, and an overall neat look, not plagued with too many stickers. Flip open the laptop and you're greeted with a 14-inch screen with a reasonable width to the bezels. A keyboard along with a touchpad which has pretty standard breathing room for your fingers. iBall logo branded on the top. The sides have enough ports to put a couple of MacBooks to shame. We have an HD screen with brightness that goes from 0 to 100 real quick. It can handle any kind of challenging lighting. It had no issues outdoors, indoors, or even in situations when there's no source of light and you need to dim the brightness to rest your eyes. At maximum brightness, colors may seem faded. Well, that is the trade-off you make for visibility here. For a laptop in this range, I would say that that's quite impressive. Above that display is a 0.3 megapixel webcam. On the audio side of things, we were surprised that this small package comes with loud audio. Not necessarily clear and articulate at times, but definitely makes some noise. We prefer to plug into the audio jack or connect it with speakers most times. We certainly did expect some collaboration with a premium audio brand here. Good for your regular YouTube streaming. Coming to the keyboard, we love the key travel and the overall typing experience. Our major gripe was that the power button is in a position where you usually place your delete or backspace keys. We couldn't help putting the laptop to sleep amidst intense online conversations. You get a good slew of options with the function keys such as keys for music functionality, brightness levels, and other few useful keys. Conclusively, it's a good keyboard, sparing the placement of the power key. The trackpad provided doesn't really have a good feel over it. It also is terrible for 2-finger scroll. It completely mistakes your scrolls for pinch to zoom actions. It is quite a nuisance to readjust the zoom percentage while browsing on your browser or while going through PDFs. The single most important trait of any electronic device is the battery backup. Let us tell you that this device is by no means a beast. But you can expect 3 to 4 hours of mixed usage. We opened up around 10 Chrome tabs along with Microsoft Word running. Added to that Corel Draw while being connected to Bluetooth music streaming. Absolutely flawless. I'm not sure how it manages to run things smoothly given that it has just 4 GB RAM and comes with Intel's Pentium quad-core. Did I mention it comes with genuine Microsoft Home and Office. No worries giving this a good rating on the battery side of things. Realize that 3 to 4 hours of continuous usage is a great promise, not those biased ones done under lab conditions. Boot times are short. We had no troubles to get it up and running, to quickly get into connecting to Wi-Fi, setting up Bluetooth, and browsing the web. There was no heating issues or throttling whatsoever. For people with medium requirements, I think the performance will be adequate. So now the single most amazing thing about this laptop comes in a lot of parts. Or should I say ports? Well, you may feel my bias here because coming from Ultrabooks, USB ports are not the luxury we enjoy. So iBall is the perfect fit for it. And along with the quality of these ports is really good. This one deserves an impressive rating for the number of ports, port placement, spacing between them, and the sheer grip it provides. Our model had 32 GB of storage with a vacant slot for SSD or additional hard drive. We recommend adding a micro SD card to expand that for a cheap price. Well, there are a few things we hate. That are the plastic build, which makes it look even cheaper, the rather rough and non-responsive touchpad, and the bottom grip, which came off in the first couple of weeks itself. But considering the sub 20,000 price point and setting our expectations accordingly, this laptop did not disappoint. So, coming back to the initial question of, is this good for college work? Absolutely. Decent performance, above average battery life, and a weight of just 1.3 kilos. That means this laptop deserves a spot in a lot of backpacks.